Story time tayo guys. Walang script, nothing whatsoever. I just like to share my story with all of you. Syempre ako si Mark and I would like to share my health journey with you. So back in 2015, I was diagnosed with pre-diabetes and 2 years after, kasi binaliwala ko yung pre-diabetes, I thought na it was nothing. So after 2 years, 2017, annual physical exam, naging confirmed member na ako ng Mediabetes. So 2017, I was taking metformin once a day, 500 milligrams, rosuvastatin, and may isa pa, nakalimutan ko lang yung pangalan. I was taking 3 maintenance medicines starting 2017. And then syempre, na-alarma ako. Part of the precautionary measures I did is that hindi rin ako kumain ng rice for 2 years. So, naging kambing po ako mga kaibigan for 2 years. So, literal na gulay, damo yung kinakain ko. So, fast forward, 2022, I believe, annual physical exam uli ng office. I was expecting actually to be better, but apparently I received an exact opposite news kasi nag-worsen yung diabetes ko, and that was the time wherein I am being advised to get insulin injectables. So hindi ako pumayag, and then the doctor said na, sige, gagawin natin twice a day yung metformin mo. So from 500 milligrams, naging 1,000 milligrams na siya. Tapos instead of 3 na maintenance medicines, naging 4 na. So it was at that time wherein the same year, Elixir Placenta stem cell was released. Pero hindi pa rin muna ako kaagad nag-take nun. Siguro nag-start ako mag-take ng Elixir Placenta late September of 2022. So it was a desperate moment for me because I was already feeling the side effects of drinking the maintenance medicines. So madalas sumasakit yung tiyan ko dahil sa metformin. So I was so desperate. And syempre, part ng conversation namin ng doctor is that sinabi niya sa akin yung 3 Ds daw. 3 D sa diabetes. Sabi niya sa akin, Sir Lopez, alam mo ba kung ano yung 3 D sa diabetes? Sabi ko, hindi, doc. So yung unang D, diabetes. Yung pangalawang D, dialysis. Yung pangatlong D, definitely ayaw mo makarating doon kasi death na yun. And it was because of that na I started to think na I'm not getting any better in spite of taking the maintenance medicines and then not eating rice for 2 years. I wasn't getting better. And so since I was so desperate, I reached out to my mother who was then promoting already yung mga food supplements. She's saying that it's really good. So that's the time that I started taking it. So after I have taken it along with the maintenance medicines back then, nahihilo ko. So definitely something was wrong. And when I checked, nagka-crash yung sugar ko ng sobrang baba. Yung mga kapwa ko diabetes, yung makaka-relate kayo. Mula doon sa baseline sugar nyo, tumaas ng konti, bumaba ng konti. Definitely mararamdaman ninyo yung effect sa katawan ninyo. And so one day, I decided, without really consulting the doctor, I decided to, which I do not advise anybody, always consult with your doctor. So I decided not to take my maintenance medicines for 1 day and then just take the food supplements. And that was the best feeling I had for a very long time. And since then, hindi na ako nag-take ng maintenance medicine. So kinontinue ko lang yung mga food supplements na iniinom ko. Specifically, Elixir Placenta stem cell, and then Spirulina and Ganoderma. So lo and behold, nagpa-annual physical exam uli yung aming opisina, mid-2023. And on that physical exam, nakangiti yung doktor na pumasok na sa room, no? And sabi niya, Mr. Lopez, normal lahat yung yung results ng exam mo. So, kita mo na, ang galing ng mga nireseta ko sa yung gamot. And I just smiled from within, knowing very well na it was not because of the maintenance medicines. It was all because of the supplements that I was taking, and specifically siguro Elixir Placenta Stem Cell and Spirulina, kasi sila lang naman talaga yung naging kasama ko throughout that journey. And the reason why I'm coming out right now, kasi may mga doktor na nagsasabi na once a diabetic, always a diabetic, na you have to live with the maintenance medicines for the rest of your life. So I'm a proof na diabetes can be reversed, can be cured, and that you can be free from maintenance medicines. You don't have to drink it for the rest of your life. But we need to take good care of ourselves. So we need to take supplements. So once again, this is Mark. So if you would like to know more about Elixir Placenta and you would like to start your own health journey towards being a better and healthier you, please do not hesitate to send me a message so that I can help you out and answer your queries. See you again next time. Thanks for listening. Bye.